In the earlier illustration, we had seen how dollar works at the very basic level. In this example, we'll explore more of its applications. To start off, I am talking about a list of potential sales clients, the amount that they may spend on my product, and the discount that I may provide to them based on one-to-one negotiation. Now, normally to calculate discount, all of us follow a simple strategy. We select the amount of potential sales, multiply that with the discount percentage to arrive at the discount for the first client. After which, using the fill handle, I double click so that the answer pops till the end of the list. Now what has happened, in every cell the cell references have shifted one cell down, enabling Excel to compute discount for individual client codes. In more technical term, this B6 and C6 cell reference has moved down to the 7th row, both of them, 8th, 9th, and subsequently till the end of my list. I did not put any dollars before any column or row reference, because of which it has the ability to make sure it moves down. In contrast to the last example, wherein I had a list of client names and the potential sales, this time around I have a uniform discount rate for everyone, 5% for everyone, no ad hoc individual discount. Now we will see through this example how to use absolute reference to get hold of the correct answer. Before I begin, let me just hide this ribbon by double clicking on the tab. Yeah, looks much better. Now let me begin writing the formula. Potential sales multiplied with the probable discount, that is 5%, which is for everyone. Once I press enter, should give me 700 for the first one, but the moment I drag it down, clearly looking at the results, this is not the right answer. Let me see what is happening behind the scenes. In the first formula, I had rightly chosen 14,000 and 5%, both of them multiplied to each other, but the moment I dragged it down, meaning copy pasted to the next cell, what I notice, the cell references have moved one step down. Now moving to the budget of next client is good, but the moment 5%, instead of 5%, it is being referring to the cell containing nothing. That is the challenge. It is multiplying with nothing to yield you 0. In the next one, it is trying to multiply with a text with number. Clearly that's not the algebra, hence value error. So I would want, in each of these cells, it should refer to the discount consistently, that is C3 all throughout. So let me go to the top, again rewrite the formula. Let's see if somehow I can ask Excel to make sure fix this cell reference as 5%, so that it refers 5% all throughout the formula in my entire set of lists. So I press equal to, select the budget multiplied with the cell containing discount 5%. Now I'm using a shortcut key F4, which automatically puts a dollar before the column reference C and row reference 3, making sure it will never move down. Once this is done, let me use the fill handle, double click at the bottom right of the cell. The last time I had used this cells and it has stopped here, so let me just clearly delete the formulas beneath the initial formula, and now let me double click. So in all these cells, let me check quickly. The discount being referred to is 5%, and the best part is the moment I change the discount percentage 25%, enter, all numbers change. Now some of the professionals might think, instead of referring to the cell, I could have simply selected, let's say, the discount and written it 25% in all these cases, but in such a scenario, if any change in the input variable, let's say 75% discount, the numbers will not change because each of these cells are referring to hard-coded numbers, not the cell which you can change later. So as a good practice, let me choose the cell. Let's say in this case 75%. Let me press an F4 to make sure it is fixed completely. After which, let me replicate the cell's logic to the next set of cells from the entire set of available list of client names. That's the answer for now.